What's up? This is YGamer, and today I'm back in a new video. And today we're gonna be doing Bedwars, but I can't use wool. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty hard challenge. And also, guys, right now I'm recording at 60 FPS. I used to record at 30, which I didn't like. I just didn't bother to change. So now I'm recording at 60 FPS. So I think this should be like so smooth. So yeah, so let's see what we can buy. We can buy that. Okay, sandstone. Okay, it's only 12 iron, so and we get 16, so that's decent, I guess. But I'm gonna also get wood, and I'm gonna do a simple defense, and I'm gonna use the rest of the wood for building. So now I have never played on this map before. Okay, so we're at Gray's base, and the blocks literally match. Wait, oh, that get killed. Oh, what the hell? He is laggy. Okay, bye. Your bed is gone, and I am going to kill you again. Die. Oh no. Okay. I mean, to be honest, I don't think this is gonna be that hard of a challenge, because like I am such a pro. So we're back at a base, and let's get some more blocks. Wait, okay, let's get some more blocks, and let's buy an ender pearl and these 2 potions. I'm gonna save these 2 for later. I'm also gonna buy some more wood. Okay, perfect. Also, guys, I've been streaming like a lot recently. Actually, like decent amount, because like I streamed 2 times yesterday, and then I'm gonna stream today. I don't know if today is gonna be the day that I upload the video, so I don't know. But yeah, hopefully we can win this game. Also, guys, I'm gonna try to make this video shorter than usual. I usually make it between like 9 minutes and like 10 or 14 minutes, I don't know about that. And then yeah, I just do that. Okay, get blocked. Get blocked. Now he's probably gonna go on top of his base. Nope, but I am going to kill him. No, die. No, he's on 6. Boom. How did he not get knocked? Okay. He has some bad internet, but man, I know how it feels. Like, I fixed my internet, so like it's better now, because I actually managed to connect an Ethernet all the way from top to my basement. Now, what the hell? Why do you have diamond armor? Wow, that potion is not gonna help you at all. Die. Let's go. Okay, now GG. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're in the second game, and we're gonna be doing the same challenge, because the first game was a little bit too fast, I guess. And yeah, so let's try to win this game also. And this map is a slow gen map, man. That sucks. Okay, let's try to get Aqua out, get blocked, get killed. No. Bro, we got comboed by this guy. That absolutely sucks. So I'm gonna go kill him. Come here. What are you doing? That's not gonna work. Oh, combo. I made him stuck in a block. That's crazy. Okay. And we're still gonna kill him. No, die. Okay, let's go. Placing blocks, guys, is the best thing to do. That's how you win fights. Okay, let's get pink out of this game. Boom. Okay. So now there's only 2 people left other than me. So this should be an easy game, to be honest. Come here, Pink. Pink, come here, little boy. You are going to get killed. Haha, you actually suck. Fight me. He is so freaking stacked. Okay, let's get Red's bed real quickly. Don't mind me. And you are going to get killed also, because I'm him. Haha, I'm sorry. Oh! Bro. Okay. Come here. Oh, you actually suck. Bro, he tried to fireball me 2 times, and in those 2 times, he failed. Why are you gonna enderbird? Like, what? That's so dumb. Come here, die. You're dead. How does he take no damage? Barely any damage. Okay, guys, I think we're going against a hacker. So I am gonna try to get stacked, because I am not trying to die. I wanna win this game. I'm gonna get really stacked and then go kill him. Okay, let's see, where is he? That's the question. I have protection 2 now. I'm pretty sure he has protection 3, maybe. He definitely has some emeralds with him, or emerald things. I don't know where he is though. It's like he always just kills me and then disappears. Okay. Oh no, this pink guy is at my base now, and yeah, my bed is destroyed. No. Okay, what am I? I'm gonna drink this potion. Oh shoot, I don't wanna fight you right now. Okay. I just jumped over your fireballs. That's funny. Okay, let's fight. Okay, die. No!